This is Dr. Shasta Erickson. I also do natural beauty care using body cosmetic acupuncture to tonify the essence, which is basically the fluid in the body and the hormones in the body, which help the skin be luminous and glow. This is my friend Tina. She is an esthetician at Beatrice Salon. She's my esthetician and my friend. And I'm just finishing up cosmetic acupuncture on her. And cosmetic acupuncture helps with tonifying and lifting, where microneedling helps with making the skin tighter and younger and more youthful. So we are doing all these points. I also did points here to calm her entire back, because we can tap into the whole body through the face. A lot of times poor nutrition and dehydration make the tissues of the face red, acne, dry, and early aging. When everything is hydrated and well flowing, we can do that with Chinese herbs, nutrition, and then I am also using a wonderful Korean skincare line called Rimen, R-I-M-E-N. So the first thing I'm going to do after I do her cosmetic acupuncture is I'm going to use the Calming Balance Cream. Calming Balance Cream is going to calm any kind of inflammation that may have popped up with doing the cosmetic acupuncture, because cosmetic acupuncture and microneedling both vent the heat. That means it vents the inflammation out of the body. And inflammation causes stagnation, dehydration, as we just discussed. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the booster. This is a hyaluronic acid based serum with other botanicals in it and peptides that help deeply moisturize and bring more water into her tissues. Hyaluronic acid can increase the absorption of water by up to 3,000%. So it's a very, very important botanical and supplemental use. Then I'm going to do something very amazing, which is I'm going to put these incredible Rimen skincare melting marine collagen masks under her eyes. These are the only ones on the market like this. They don't have any kind of cloth. They are the direct collagen is going to go directly on her face. So you can make small amounts like this, and you can put these on under her eyes like that. 1 and 2. And then I will peel up and be leaving that actual marine collagen on her tissues for deep hydration and sealing in the hyaluronic acid, botanicals, and peptides that the booster had. Then we're going to do the spray, which I will get from the other room, to make that dissolve. This is part of the dermatology first packet that Tina shared with me when I went into her for my face, because she's an esthetician. I'm going to go ahead and spray this marine collagen, and it's going to dissolve right into her. This is other botanicals, herbals, that helps firm and harden the products into her tissue for long-lasting nourishment and nutrition to her body. Then I'm going to use a little bit more of a serum, of the booster. I'm going to just pat it this time. This is the hyaluronic acid with herbs and peptides. And then I'm going to use this amazing dermatological cream. This really helps with the skin barrier and sealing everything in that we just did for Tina, including all of the nutrition circulation with the acupuncture, the Lumera red light mask that we dome that we used. I'm going to tap it on the marine collagen. She doesn't need much. And you just see this amazing, luminous, radiant glow to Tina's incredible skin. And look at her amazing neck. She uses this product every day, and she is 55. We went to her birthday party. Then what we're going to do is we are going to do a wonderful dermatology oil serum, which is just, again, more botanicals for her. Has rose water, which is classically known for calming inflammation in the body. And lastly, I'm going to do the Reman sunscreen. This sunscreen is pretty neat because it actually has hyaluronic acid in it. So it's a hydrating sunscreen. And it's an SPF 50. I'm going to just do little taps and go ahead and get it into her neck too. And next we do have some wonderful cosmetic cover-up called Cushion, which does have minerals and herbs in it as well, which Bill was asking me about earlier. And they have a nice lip and cheek tints too that are, again, all natural, free of 3,000 of the known chemicals. You also can put the sunscreen on your hands, and she's good. How do you feel, Tina? Good, thank you. You're welcome. So Tina does, and I go to the Sundays at her Beatrice Salon in Campbell at 1 o'clock on Sunday and 6:30 on Sunday. Does sampling of all the products where you can really try it and see how it feels. I loved it when I got it, and I've been using it for 3 months and had a really big change in my face, and I'm grateful. Thank you.